Apple's 2025 iPhone lineup is shaping up to be one of the most polarizing yet. The latest leaks suggest we're about to witness a battle between two extremes: a thicker, more powerful iPhone 17 Pro Max and a ridiculously slim iPhone 17 Air. But here's the real question: does size still matter, or is Apple just playing mind games again? In this in-depth breakdown, we'll dive into all the shocking details, uncover why Apple might be making these bold moves, and help you decide whether thicker is better or if ultra-thin is the future. By the end, you'll know exactly which side to pick in this heated debate. So let's jump right in. The thick versus thin war begins. Apple is known for pushing design boundaries, but 2025 is bringing a radical shift. According to the latest leaks, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is getting chunkier at 8.75 millimeters, while the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be an ultra-thin 5.5 millimeters, making it one of the slimmest iPhones ever. Let's break this down. Why would Apple make one of its flagship phones thicker when everyone is obsessed with slim, sleek designs? And on the flip side, why make a phone so thin that it sacrifices battery and camera power? The answer is simple. Apple is catering to two very different types of users. If you crave power and performance, the Pro Max is your beast. If you want elegance and minimalism, the Air is your dream phone. But are the trade-offs worth it? Let's analyze both sides. iPhone 17 Pro Max, a powerhouse in disguise. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is getting a thickness boost, and that's not a bad thing. This extra size could mean a bigger battery, a revamped camera system, or even better cooling for high-performance tasks. Camera with flash camera upgrade, bigger, better, bolder. Rumors suggest the Pro Max could feature an upgraded periscope zoom lens, giving it DSLR-like zoom capabilities. Expect massive improvements in low-light photography and zoom performance that could rival dedicated cameras. Battery life that refuses to die. If Apple is increasing thickness, chances are it's packing in a larger battery. The iPhone 16 Pro Max already boasts around 17 to 19 hours of battery life, but Apple might push this even further. Could we see a phone that lasts 2 full days on a single charge? That would be a game changer. Fire A19 Pro chip. Blazing fast performance. Power users will love the rumored A19 Pro chip, expected to bring faster speeds, better efficiency, and even AI-powered optimizations. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, the Pro Max is shaping up to be a beast. iPhone 17 Air, the razor-thin minimalist dream. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the iPhone 17 Air, an iPhone so thin it might make your current device feel like a brick. But with great thinness comes great sacrifice. Cross-mark, no ultra-wide or telephoto lenses. To achieve this level of thinness, Apple is rumored to ditch the additional camera lenses, leaving the Air with a single 48MP sensor. If you love photography, this could be a deal-breaker. No more ultra-wide landscape shots or telephoto zoom for distant subjects. Battery life concerns. A slim price to pay. The thinner the phone, the smaller the battery. With a body almost 40% thinner than the Pro Max, expect significantly reduced battery life. This could mean just 12 to 14 hours of usage, making it a risky choice for power users. High voltage performance versus aesthetics. The iPhone 17 Air will still feature Apple's cutting-edge A19 chip. But without proper heat dissipation, thermal throttling could become an issue. Heavy tasks like gaming and video editing might suffer, making the Air more suited for casual users. Which one should you choose? It all comes down to your priorities. Here's a quick rundown. Mobile phone go for the iPhone 17 Pro Max if you want. White heavy checkmark, the best camera system Apple has to offer. White heavy checkmark, insane battery life that lasts nearly 2 days. White heavy checkmark, peak performance for gaming and pro tasks. White heavy checkmark, a phone that feels premium and substantial. Artist palette go for the iPhone 17 Air if you want. White heavy checkmark, a super slim, stylish, and futuristic device White heavy checkmark, a lightweight phone that's easy to carry. White heavy checkmark, a minimalist design with a single lens approach. White heavy checkmark, Apple's most elegant iPhone ever. But here's the catch. Most users still slap a bulky case on their iPhones anyway. So does having an ultra-thin phone even matter if you're going to bulk it up with a case? Food for thought. Green Apple. The future of iPhones, a balancing act. Apple's 2025 lineup shows they're experimenting with two extremes, a powerhouse and a minimalist masterpiece. But will people embrace these changes, or will they prefer the tried-and-true middle ground? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is clearly designed for power users who want the best of the best. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air is aimed at aesthetic enthusiasts who prioritize design over function. Either way, Apple is making sure there's an iPhone for every type of user. So what's your pick? Are you hashtag Team Thick with the Pro Max, or are you hashtag Team Thin with the Air? Drop a comment and let us know. Loudspeaker final thoughts. Your move, Apple fans. Apple is shaking things up, and 2025 could be the year we see iPhones take two very different paths. Will the thicker, more powerful iPhone 17 Pro Max win hearts, or will the sleek, ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air steal the show? The choice is yours. Speech balloon comment below. Would you rather have a powerful thick phone or a super slim iPhone? Thumbs up, like, and subscribe for the latest Apple leaks, reviews, and in-depth tech breakdowns. Only on Technology Review. Rocket!